how many women have proposed to you already on your Instagram?
I didn't, but aunties have.
Yeah?
A lot of aunties have. Instagram live, in person. They have dragged me across rooms and introduced me to their daughters.
I'm sitting across somebody, girls are going to hate me, they're going to be so jealous, but I'm so happy and proud that he's a fellow Scorpio. तो मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है मेरी विन है इसमें कहीं ना कहीं. And I can't tell you that you've been such a sweetheart all through these years. I've known you ever since your first film, and you haven't
साल हो गए.
changed, and you're gorgeous. So congratulations.
Thank you, fellow Scorpion. Really appreciate it.
Show me your rings. Is this a permanent thing after Taj and Tajdar?
Yeah, this has become a permanent thing. My stylists don't like this at all. They're like, what? It doesn't suit this thing. But I'm like, भाई ये तो मैं पहन के जा रहा हूँ.
एक बात बताइए, आपकी सबसे पहले बात बताइए कि आपकी जब लव का दी एंड इज द फर्स्ट मूवी, उसमें दी एंड लिखा हुआ था.
Yeah, अभी लव का द बिगिनिंग हो गया है.
Exactly. जब आपकी शुरुआत फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में होती है एज एन एंटी हीरो, हाउ एक्साइटिंग वाज दैट फॉर यू? क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग कहते हैं यार विलन बनने में ज्यादा मजा है.
यार, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, मैं कुछ भी नहीं जानता था फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के बारे में. तो जो भी मिला, इट वाज खुशकिस्मती की बात है.
हाँ.
और ना वरना फिर उसके बाद मुझे पता चला कि कोई ऐसी भी चीज़ होती है जहाँ पर आप लॉन्च किया जाता है लोगों को. एक फिल्म लिखी जाती है, लाइक एन ऑथर बैक्ड रोल फॉर एन एक्टर. जैसे उस वक्त पे उसी साल में बैंड बाजा बारात भी आई थी. See how that targeted a different set of audience. But Love Ka Di End was a very niche audience. Yeah, so
it was actually made for the generation now, the Gen Alpha. It was very ahead of its time.
It was very ahead of its
मुझे बहुत
time.
पसंद आया था.
Right? So I think that as when you evolve in the industry, तब आपको जाके पता चलता है कि एक launch होता है, एक certain किस्म की एक script आती है जहाँ पर it's like it targets more audience, especially when you're launched. The more audience you can target in the first film, the better. So so many things over the years हमने सीखा है, मैंने सीखा है. Of course, with Hira Mandi, Sanjila Bhansali attracts all sorts of audience from all over the globe.
But for somebody who's so scholastic, you come from a family of doctors and science.
Biochemistry, yes,
yeah,
yes.
Your mom. So I'm just thinking, उनको कैसे, how did they say, हाँ बेटे जा तो actor बन?
नहीं, my dad is a very, क्या बोलते हैं, very open-minded first of all, as far as my dad is concerned. My mom, उनको पहले actress बनना था. हाँ, तो yes. तो जब उनको ऑफर आया था तो उनकी मम्मी ने कहा कि अगर तू जाएगी तो तू घर मत आना वापस बस. हाँ, तो my mom said, oh, I know which one to choose now. तो she went back home, right? And वहाँ से circle of life just happened. और जब मैंने कहा कि मुझे join करना है तो she was very supportive about it. Actually उन्होंने कुछ कहा ही नहीं. मैंने उनको कहा था कि financial crisis हो रहा था उस वक्त. तो मैंने उनसे कहा था कि I feel like I want to just go and try New York Film Academy. Not once did she question me. एक बार भी नहीं. उन्होंने कहा कि जाओ. फिर 2-3 हफ्ते बाद जब मैं गया ही नहीं तो उन्होंने बोला कि क्या हुआ, तूने कहा था कि तू जाने वाला है. मैंने कहा कि no, I was just being stupid about it. मैं कैसे जाऊँ, यानी मैं किसी को जानता नहीं इंडस्ट्री में. हम लोग यहाँ पर हैं दुबई में कोई एक्टिंग का कुछ स्कोप है नहीं. तो क्या करना चाहिए. And she's like, she didn't say anything. She literally she grabbed my ear. She took me to the car. She drove 2.5 hours. हम शारजा में रहते तो अबू धाबी लेकर गई वो. न्यूयॉर्क फिल्म अकेडमी में जाकर रिसेप्शन और प्रिंसिपल से बात करके मुझे रजिस्टर करा दिया. मुझे जो डॉर्म में जहाँ पे लड़के रहते थे वहाँ पे छोड़ दिया. और उन्होंने कहा कि मैं कल आ रही हूँ खाने के साथ और कपड़ों के साथ. You are starting from day after tomorrow. And that is how I started New York Film Academy.
भाई ऐसी अम्मी सबको मिले भाई. What is your mother's name and zodiac sign? Tell me now.
My mom is actually born Christian, converted to Muslim क्योंकि मेरे अब्बू मुसलमान थे. तो I'll give her, so her Christian name is Margaret Rose Matthews. And
how exotic.
And her Muslim name is of course Mehnaz Sikandar Badusha.
Whoa, you've been born, I think, with a certain amount of legacy of sorts. The name itself says it. कुछ family का है. Badusha क्या है? Is there a legacy there?
Badusha is South India में एक there used to be islands outside of Chennai. और वहाँ पे my great grandfathers, they used to have a lot of islands. So that they used to basically rule those islands.
Oh.
And वहाँ से फिर जब of course the lands were taken by Mughals and taken by the British, उसके बाद बस नाम ही रह गया, लैंड नहीं रही.
Okay, now I'm going to do some fun stuff now.
Let's do it.
I'm going to say things. I'm going to ask you a question, but आपको immediately answer देना पड़ेगा.
Okay.
You can't wait.
I can't. I'll try my best.
हाँ, तो आप कुछ भी बोलो. आप right हो. There's no right and wrong here.
Okay.
The point is to be immediate.
Okay.
You can't wait a second.
I can't wait a second.
No.
Okay.
Ready?
I'll try my best.
Okay, this is a long list. So
Oh
get
my
ready
God.
for this one. प्रियंका चोपड़ा प्यार से मुझे क्या बुलाती है? जो भी. You have to say what. Okay. This is buzzer round. इसमें Ready? Why should I believe you?
Because I'm right.
How do you flirt?
Romantically.
वो लड़की कौन थी?
Wait,
आखिरी पास्ता ने पहले पास्ता
serious.
आखिरी पास्ता ने पहले पास्ता से क्या कहा?
मैं तेरे आगे हूँ.
Oh my God, तीसरी मंजिल पे क्या था?
शामी कपूर.
वो Who invented ढोकला?
I don't know.
How do you say octopus in French?
Octopus?
What is an aglet?
What's a?
Aglet.
No idea.
Who do I like? Who do I look like? Who do I look like?
Who do you look like? Ravina.
Why is my producer crying?
Because she knows that you're too good.
चाय और समोसा ने अपनी पहली मुलाकात कैसे की?
Dipping.
Okay. गब्बर को किटकैट क्यों नहीं मिला?
Because everybody else took it. बहुत आदमी थे.
गोलगप्पे के पानी का सीक्रेट इंग्रेडिएंट क्या है?
Love.
अनिल कपूर कब तक जवान रहेंगे?
When his hair doesn't.
माधुरी दीक्षित आपकी क्या लगती है?
My sweetheart.
Oh, how do you shout?
Loudly.
तुमने सुबह में मंगेश काका को क्या कहा?
Let's go work out.
Oh God. जलेबी या मैगी के बच्चे का नाम क्या होगा?
I don't know.
औरी ने तीखा वड़ा पाव खा के क्या कहा?
I'm living life.
अंडे ने मुर्गी से क्या कहा?
You came first.
हीरा मंडी में हीरा कौन है?
Me.
हाय हाय. ताजदार बलोच ने अर्चू से क्या कहा?
You are my next diamond.
Oh my God, I am flattered. How many women have proposed to you already on your Instagram?
I didn't, but aunties have.
Yeah?
A lot of aunties have. Instagram live, in person. They have dragged me across rooms and introduced me to their daughters.
Oh my God, no.
Yeah.
कोई indecent proposal आते
No,
हैं
there is no indecent. This is all love.
You have to start from the beginning. क्या हुआ? जैसे हीरा मंडी रिलीज हुई क्या हुआ? What was the surprise moment? How has it been so far? You have to share this.
यार मुझे तो लगा ही नहीं कि मैं बस यही चाहता था कि मैं एक अच्छा एक्टर बन के बाहर निकलूं, कि लोगों को लगे कि भाई ये एक्टर बहुत अच्छा है. दिस ऑल विच इज़ हैपनिंग अराउंड इट, ये मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा सरप्राइज़ है, क्योंकि मैंने कभी एक्सपेक्ट ही नहीं किया था कि ऐसा कुछ हो भी सकता है. दिस होल थिंग अबाउट नेशनल क्रश एंड हार्ट थ्रॉब एंड प्रपोजल्स कमिंग इन, दिस इज़ ऑल. और स्पेशली क्योंकि आजकल इंस्टाग्राम का ज़माना है ना, तो इंस्टाग्राम पे जो पहले 4-5 दिन तो कुछ हुआ ही नहीं मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे. उसके बाद आई हैव नो आइडिया व्हाट हैपेंड, फ्रिकिंग ब्लू अप. ऑलराइट, एंड मेरे लिए वो सब नंबर्स हैं, नथिंग टेंजिबल, और मैं पुराने ज़माने का आदमी हूँ, तो आई लाइक इट व्हेन जैसे जब लोग आकर, जैसे राइट नाउ और इवन इन कैन्स, व्हेन पीपल रिकग्नाइज मी एंड देन देयर. यस्टरडे मैं गाड़ी चला रहा था, 3-4 ऑटोज़ में लड़कियां बैठी थी, and they're all laughing and they're all taking videos, right? That's tangible to me, right? वो मुझे दिखता है. So then I'm like, this actually something actually has changed around me in my life. जब आंटियाँ आके मुझे घसीटते हुए रूम के दूसरे कोने पर लेकर, they're introducing me to, this is my daughter. I've told her that she should get married to somebody like Taj. And I'm like, that's Taj, I'm Taha. But thank you, I get it. That's still tangible. How do I receive it? Is that I'm freaking grateful, bro. I value it a lot. क्योंकि जब आपको कुछ नहीं मिलता ना, जब 15 साल से आप जितना भी मेहनत कर लो, आप, no matter what you can do, what you can bring to the table, and nobody, and then you kind of get written off as well from a lot of places. A lot of people say that it must be whatever, bad luck, or you've done in the industry, आप वक्त हो गया है.
luck की बहुत बात होती है.
So and then you feel, you also have, you keep fighting. Like you said, Scorpios जिद है तो हम लोग लड़ते रहते हैं. So right now everything that's coming, I value it. ऐसे नहीं है कि हाँ ये तो होना ही था, मैं तो नेशनल क्रश हूँ, ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. I mean, I don't understand why I'm a national crush. पहले तो मैं national crush नहीं हूँ. ताजदार national crush है. हाँ, ताजदार is the character. Sanjay Leela Bhansali has made him the national crush.
ये ताज का क्या connection है आपके साथ? You know your earlier series, and then of course the fact that you're Tajdar now, that's going to be stuck with you. That's the name that people are going to relate with you.
Yeah, no, ताज stuck हो चुका है. I think people are now calling me ताज only. मेरे दोस्त भी मुझे मैसेज करते वक्त उन्होंने कहा, अरे यार हम लोग आपका तेरा नाम ढूंढ रहे थे, हमने ताज डाल दिया. Instead of, because it's also yeah, exactly. So it's just a J in between, right? So they type. So I think that Taj is something which is resonating with me right now. और जैसे हर एक्टर का कोई ना कोई नाम एक क्या बोलते हैं, एक वो क्या बोलते हैं, इट काइंड ऑफ लाइक गेट्स अटैच्ड टू देम. जैसे बच्चन सर का है वो था विजय, देन फॉर सलमान सर वाज प्रेम, फॉर शाहरुख सर इज ऑलवेज बिन राहुल और राहुल मोस्टली. So I feel that Taj has become something like that for me at this moment of time, especially because it's back to back. It's not like एक हो गया था और फिर अभी जाके कुछ वापस आ रहा है. It's not that. So I feel that now people, whenever they hear of Taj, they will always think of Tajdar, which then will automatically lead to Taha. So it's just a blessing, to be very honest. And Taj is such an iconic and such a heavy and such a beautiful name.
And that's why you have these rings now? Do you feel very connected to, like...
I think from every
to the camera,
from every time एक में जैसे मुराद, जैसे from Taj I did Murad, then I did this. I feel, of course, from somewhere in me there are certain different characters inside me, but always when I finish off a character, something always sticks on to me and gets added on. Every time I do another character, it always adds on something. Like after this, there's another thing that I've done, but then that also will add on as soon as that the whole process of it finishes.
क्या हो रहा है? हमको नहीं पता.
No, किसी को नहीं पता. जब आएगा तो
लिप्सा सील्ड. 3 चीजें मुझे संजय लीला भंसाली से जुड़ी हुई आपसे पूछनी है. पूरी टीम ने भी ये बात सुनी है, but we want you to still दोहराओ it कि आपको हीरा मंडी कैसे मिली, वो story. How tough is it to work with somebody like Sanjay Leela Bhansali? Was there a moment where he shouted at you or whatever? And why Sanjay Leela Bhansali? So go for it. All the 3 questions.
So सबसे पहले तो मुझे ये रोल कैसे मिली, तो मुझे लगता है कि मैं और मेरे एक दोस्त हैं जो हम दोनों एक साथ काम कर रहे थे, तुषार नाम है उनका. एंड ही यूज्ड टू वर्क विद मिस्टर भंसालीज टीम. तो उनको पता था कि हीरा मंडी उनका एक ड्रीम प्रोजेक्ट है और एक दिन बनेगी. सो ही वाज ऑलवेज जस्ट काइंड ऑफ लाइक, हाँ, ही वाज माइंडफुल अबाउट इट. एंड ही इज लाइक, एक दिन he always wanted me, like, I just want you to meet sir once, just meet sir once and something will happen, I know it, right? हमने कोशिश तो बहुत की पर मीटिंग कभी हुई नहीं. फिर हुआ ये कि ऑडिशन फॉर हीरा मंडी स्टार्टेड. 15 महीने तक हम लोग श्रुति और श्रुति की पूरी टीम को हमने तंग कर दिया कि प्लीज़ मैम एक ऑडिशन दे दो, प्लीज़ छवि, प्लीज़. 10-15 महीने बाद फिर आई थिंक आफ्टर दे गॉट सो टायर्ड. Okay, they were looking for a really small character क्योंकि सारे मेन वेन सब लॉक हो गए थे, सब लोग लॉक हो गए थे. तो उन्हें बोला कि ठीक है. मैं उनके ऑफिस तक पहुंच गया था 5-6 बार कि नॉक प्लीज गिव मी एन ऑडिशन. फाइनली शी गिव मी दिस 3-day ऑडिशन एंड शी इज लाइक, दिस इज अ 3-day रोल. आई सेड चलो कोई बात नहीं, मुझे एक ही सीन चाहिए जहाँ पर मैं दिखा पाऊँ कि मैं एक डिसेंट एक्टर हूँ, कुछ तो मैं कर सकता हूँ. एंड एटलीस्ट आई गेट टू वर्क विद मिस्टर भंसाली, दैट्स फाइन, इट्स ओके. एंड आई ऑल्सो नो कि अगर उनको लगा कि आप अच्छे एक्टर हो तो वो आपको वापस लेंगे. सो आई सेड ओके फाइन. तो मैंने ऑडिशन सब ख़त्म करके आई गॉट सिलेक्टेड, आई साइन द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ऑल्सो. फिर अचानक से मुझे कॉल आता है सर के ऑफिस से कि सर आपसे मिलना चाहते हैं. एंड आई गॉट रियली, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, लाइफ में इतनी बार मुझे निकाला गया है प्रोजेक्ट से या कोई और आके उन्होंने मेरा रोल ले लिया है, तो आई ऑलवेज फेल्ट कि, सो आई डिडंट नो व्हाट ही वांटेड, स्पेशली फॉर अ 3-day कैरेक्टर. क्या ही बोलेंगे. सो आई सेड ओके, लेट मी गो. आई सेड मिलने का एक मौका है, मी गो एंड से हेलो. तो मैं गया, मैं सर के सामने बैठा एंड देन ही वाज नाइसली, ही इज इनटू म्यूजिक, सो देयर म्यूजिक प्लेइंग, ही वाज आल्सो हमिंग समथिंग एंड ही केम एंड सैट डाउन एंड देन ही जस्ट स्पोक टू मी फॉर हाफ एन आवर. इज लाइक, क्या किया तूने? तो आई टोल्ड हिम बेसिकली द ब्रेक डाउन ऑफ माई होल लाइफ. एंड देन ही इज लाइक, तूने काम तो बहुत किया है पर कोई तुझे जानता नहीं है. I said, yeah, well, sir, I'm sorry. And then he's like, And then he's like, Shruti वहाँ पे बैठी थी, Shruti मैम, तो Shruti को कहा कि Shruti उसको ये रोल मत दे, इसको बलराज का रोल दे दे. Right, which was Tajdar's best friend. हाँ, who was a revolutionary. मैं बोला कि instead of playing like a 3-day role, I get to play a revolutionary, so at least I get to play a different character, heavyweight, So then he's like, so I went for the look test the next day. वो सब हो गया. I think about 9 or 10 days later, I got a call. And contract सब चल रहा था, and I was going to sign the contract on the 10th, 11th day. And then again मुझे call आता है, sorry, sir ने अपना mind change कर दिया. I'm sorry. I'm like, don't say that, please. I'm like, because now again went back to the same thoughts of what has always happened in life कि भाई ये तो गया, ये तो हाथ से गया. और फिर 3 दिन के रोल लेना, like snakes and ladders. I'm going back down again. It's okay. Thank you. So I'm like, okay, 3 days roll. That's okay with me. So I went back to him, but then I just literally just kind of like pleaded. I begged him कि this is the biggest opportunity. मुझे please निकालना मत. अगर मुझसे कोई गलती हुई तो I'm really sorry.
आपने पहले ही बोल दिया? मैंने
बोल दिया. मैं जाके मैंने पकड़ लिया उनके हाथ पैर सब पकड़ लिया.
Context ही नहीं है. Terms and conditions disclaimer पहले ही आ गया.
Yeah, because I know what's going to happen. It's always happened to me in life, ना. So I just like I knew it. I just had a feeling कि होने वाला है, तो उससे पहले ही माफ़ी मांग लो कि मैंने मुझे पता नहीं मैंने क्या किया, मुझे माफ़ कर दो प्लीज़, और एक मौका दे दीजिए, मैं अपने आप को करेक्ट कर लूँगा. Whatever you need, I'll do, please. Then he's very nice to me. Right? He was laughing, he was smiling, and he's like, "Beta, bet." तो मैं उठा, मैं बैठा वहाँ पे, and then I was very depressed, right? And then he looked at me, I looked at him, and then he's like, "I saw your look test, और कुछ तो है तेरी आँखों में. I want you for the lead role of my project."
Oh my God.
Right, and that was the reveal that he gave me, and I thought he was messing around with me. I really thought he was messing around because this never happens to me. All right, so then I didn't give any expression, but inside my head, my jaw must have touched the floor. Right, bong. Yeah, bong. Right, and I'm like, and he's like, "तुझे नहीं चाहिए," because there was no expression on my face, and he's like, "Sir, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा आप क्या कह रहे हैं. Like, are you joking or are you like
oh my God,
like I'm sorry." And then he's like, "No," he's like चल कल आजा look test के लिए. And I didn't still know how to react to this. I picked up my bag, I left outside, I closed the door behind me, and I realized that this is not a dream, otherwise I'd woken up by now, right? Climax पे हमेशा उठ जाते हो. So I'm like, and then I immediately call my mom that something like this just happened, and I can't believe it. I don't know, but he called, and then of course I immediately called, and I was supposed to. He said come tomorrow also, but wait, he's gonna wait downstairs. I'll give you a call. So that time, I went downstairs, and they're like, now only they want to do the audition. Then I called Utkarsh, and he's part of my team. All right, and my driver was there. I called Kuldeep. I called everybody. All right, and I'm like, get me a suit, get me this, get me, because Taza was supposed to wear a suit. All right, and I think Utkarsh was in his college or something, and then he ran back home, and they got a suit for me. I'm like, udhar hi baitha tha, main script kar raha tha. So everything was happening within an hour. All right, it was quite heavy. And I didn't know, because he only gave me, he's like, 20 minute mein aaja, 20 minute mein audition mein aap bol raha aap. And but then luckily they dragged it for an hour. They're like, and then these guys were getting the suit, I was changing in the car, and then I was just writing. Yeah, everything was happening in the, I was writing the scene, writing the scene, just repeating the dialogue, repeat, so that I don't mess up, and he gave me like a big shero shairi also. In the end. So the big scene, in the end there was a shero shairi. I'm like, man, how can I not mess this up? He's giving me like an hour. I need at least a day, to like work and get out of this thing that he just put on my head right now. So
also the disbelief.
Yeah, the disbelief, right? So luckily my team was there. Then I went inside, and I did the look test. I did the test, and then he gave me another scene.
Oh no!
I'm like, don't do this. I don't do this. So then I went back, and I was doing again, and then I went back up again, and this was almost now 2.5-3 hours later, and I went back up, and then he's like, okay, fine, अभी कल आजा look test के लिए, like proper camera के साथ कल look test के लिए आजा. So I did a thing with him twice, the audition thing, and he's like, he can listen to my directions. I guess he understands what I'm saying. So वो round तो pass हो गया. I came back, and all these guys, my team was waiting down. I'm like, हम लोग घर चले गए. And then the next day, we were asking them, should I still memorize this scene? They're like, no, हम लोग कल बताएंगे क्या है.
Oh God, this
like, why are you doing this, bro? Why are you doing this? Why don't you just give me the scene? Let me just get prepared. Why do you want me to give it on the moment? Just give it to me. No, come tomorrow. हम लोग कल देंगे. So then I'm like, okay. So went to the next day. Luckily, they didn't have any scenes to do. It was just look test. So it was me and Sharmin. Sudeep Chatterjee sir was there. Sir Bhansali sir was there, of course, and the whole team, the whole
जी.
AD team, everybody was there. So full day from like I think 10 o'clock in the morning, we were there till about 6, 7 o'clock in the evening. And then also I didn't get it because then he said कि all this is very good. अभी आप किसी से बात नहीं कर सकते, आप सिर्फ श्रुति से बात कर सकते हो. Because मैं तो सबके नंबर मैंने ले लिए, you know, कि if I need any news or something, and he's like, don't call anybody, you only talk to Shruti. I said, okay sir, ठीक है, no problem, and I left. 1 day passed, 2 days passed, 1 week passed, 2 weeks passed. All right, and I'm like, and I'm dying from inside.
Yeah.
All right, so I call Shruti ma'am, and I'm like, ma'am, is there any sort of news? And she's like, she was also getting little because there's so much pressure on her, right? So then she was like, sir has not told me anything yet, okay? And when he tells me, then I said, okay, fine. Then 3.5 weeks later, I called her again. I said, ma'am, is there anything? Like, I'm dying from inside. Please tell me. She's like, sir has not told me anything. Once he tells me, I'll tell you. And now I was understanding that she, I was kind of like annoying her, so I didn't want to annoy her. So then I told her that in that call कि मैम मुझे लीड रोल नहीं चाहिए, आप मुझे बलराज का रोल दे दो, मैं बड़ा खुश हूँ. मुझे नहीं चाहिए लीड रोल, ठीक है? ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि ना वो रोल मिले, आपने इसको भी कास्ट कर लिया, एंड देन वो 3 दिन का रोल भी नहीं मिले, कुछ भी ना मिले, मैं ऐसे ही खड़ा हूँ यहाँ पे. Then she is like, sir has not told me anything, I can't tell you anything. I said, cut. I said, कोई बात नहीं. And then the worst part was then there was a big lull period. 1 month passed, and then I got offers of 3 other projects.
Acha.
1 or 2 international projects, which were giving me decent money so that I could run my
Sustain,
house, sustain, do something, right? And it's not like my Instagram was blowing up कि मुझे brands आ रहे हैं, कुछ आ रहे हैं, कुछ भी नहीं आ रहा था मुझे, right? And so I had no money, and I got these 3 projects.
आपकी तब following कितनी थी?
I think about 150,000, something like that.
And now you're sitting at 2 million.
Yeah.
I wanted to say something else. Wow. Okay.
So anyway, so I had those 3 projects in my hand. And फिर मैंने decide किया. We were all discussing, what should we do? And I kept pushing the contracts. Kept pushing कि just please call me, give me an answer, just give me an answer.
Hollywood का contract आ रहा था?
This was one of them was an European film.
Oh.
One was a Thailand, the 2 top stars of Thailand, and they wanted 2 Indian actors who were equal in that. It was like a wedding. It was like that movie आई थी ना, Wedding Wali, the Hollywood film which did really well. Chinese actors were in it. Crazy Rich Asians. It was like that, except it was like mix of Thailand and Indian.
Oh.
All right. So वो भी आ रहा था and काफी पैसे मिल रहे थे. And anyway, so I pushed the contract, kept pushing the contract. 1 महीने तो 2 महीने हो गए अभी. Okay.
Shit.
And then the third 3 months passed. Finally, I had to decide basically whether I had to
Be here or there.
Yeah, basically whether you're gonna just like lose all of them or get all of them and forget about this Hira Mandi thing, right?
Yeah.
So
और आपको time frame ही नहीं दिया गया था ना, तो पता ही नहीं था क्या होने वाला है.
I don't know. And I heard that they were shooting also, right? Hira Mandi का shoot चालू हो गया था. ऐसा नहीं था. They were shooting songs, they were shooting something. Bibbo Jaan के गाने वो सब चल रहा था. Because I heard they were shooting. I didn't know, right? But finally I reached a decision where I had to either sign the contract today, or they were going to take away the films and I'll lose all the money, lose the films, lose everything. Didn't have anything. I had 0 things. I had nothing in my hand. All right. I asked my mom, what should I do? And she's like, whatever your heart says, do it. So then my heart said, leave it. So मैंने सारे 3 film के contract cancel कर दिए, and I gave it away. I said, I'll let's see what happens. I cancelled all of them.
Oh my God!
And
I'm going to ask you, are you into gambling? That's my next question. Oh my God!
So, and then 3 days later, I got a call from Mr. Bhansali saying that you're my Tajdar, come to set.
Can we all clap for this moment? Oh my God, that's so risky.
Yeah, it was very, very because you don't have anything, no, and you put yourself in such a like uncertain situation. It's kind of scary at times.
मतलब मुझे ऐसे लगता है अभी आपको futurology करनी चाहिए because you seem to be in a good place.
नहीं वो आप करो.
वो मेरा काम है. Okay. So how was it working with him? How tough is a taskmaster, Mr. Bhansali? क्योंकि हम लोग ने सिर्फ horror story सुनी है.
क्या सुना आपने?
They're beautiful stories as well.
क्या सुना आपने?
But मतलब वो उनको गुस्सा आया थप्पड़ मार देंगे, कुछ होगा तो गाली दे देंगे. मतलब obviously things like he'll get you to the point that you'll cry because you have to bring out the best in you, right?
Yeah. No, I think he has quite an intimidating personality, of course, because he's such a perfectionist, and he's done such incredible work. And everybody is scared of him, right? जब मैं गया था सेट पे तो उन्होंने मुझे कभी इंटिमिडेट नहीं किया.
अच्छा.
उन्होंने हमेशा मेरा मजाक उड़ाया. उन्होंने कभी मुझ पर चीखा नहीं. He was always very, क्या बोलते हैं, अपने काम में ना वो बहुत ही उलझ जाते हैं और उनको हमेशा परफेक्शन चाहिए होता है हर फ्रेम में. हर द फ्रेम यानी राइट से लेकर टॉप राइट से लेकर बॉटम लेफ्ट तक हर चीज़ बहुत ही खूबसूरत लगनी चाहिए. और मैंने ये भी देखा है कि अगर किसी ने कोई गलती की तो वो उनको छोड़ते नहीं हैं. हाँ, या तो
आपसे कोई गलती हुई?
लकीली मुझसे गलतियाँ तो ऐसा कुछ था नहीं, बिकॉज ही इज़ मोर इनटू द आर्ट एंड प्रोडक्शन डिज़ाइन. एंड पीछे जो लोग खड़े हैं उनकी जो टोपी का जो है और फिर जो कैंडल है वो इट हैज़ टू बी लिट अप.
तो सीखने को क्या मिला उनसे फिर?
ये सब सीखने को मिला ना कि वो पूरे फ्रेम में, जैसे एक बार हम लोग शूट कर रहे थे, एक वाइट फ्रेम लगाया था उन्होंने, और उस वाइट फ्रेम में आई थिंक 400 लोग थे. और यू सीन द फर्स्ट इनिशियल सीन जहाँ पर मैं नीचे आता हूँ तो वो सब दिख रहा था. मुशारा का सीन था, हम लोग सब नीचे बैठे हुए थे. एंड इट वाज अ वेरी लॉन्ग सीन, वेरी लॉन्ग फार ऑफ डिस्टेंस, और वहाँ पे 400-500 लोग पूरे भरे हुए थे. टिल द एंड जो सबसे पीछे खड़ा हुआ था ना, उसका जो कपड़े का जो दिस कॉलर वाज अप, वो वहाँ पे फ्रेम में देखते हैं, नहीं ये सही नहीं है. Okay, वो the art, the painting which is on the wall, he doesn't like that painting. वो पूरा एक नया पेंटिंग वो लेकर आते हैं. We have set this frame for 9 hours.
My God.
We set that one frame. He was setting that frame for 9 hours. हम लोग सुबह 9 बजे गए, 10 बजे हम लोग सेट पे थे. 10 बजे we took the first shot at 8:30 in the night.
Oh my God.
And it was the only shot we took that day. उसके बाद अगले दिन आकर, now he knew exactly what he wanted.
This is your entry with Kutsia, right? The cute scene.
This was the next one.
Okay.
So, but to set that up,
जी.
पूरा एक दिन गया था.
My God.
And तो ये आपको सीखने को मिलता है. ये नहीं कि it's not that he's wasting time. It's a process. और जब तक उनको सही नहीं लगता कि सारा the जो भी कलर्स हैं, कपड़े हैं,
वो तो हम लोग ने देख लिया.
वो आप देख लिया ना. तो फिर वो एंड ही इज़ वेरी इनटू द डिटेलिंग. जैसे हर कैरेक्टर के जो कमरे हैं, जैसे मेरा जो कमरा है और जो आलम का कमरा है, या तो फिर मलिका जान, मनीषा मैम का जो कमरा है, सोनाक्षी, अगर आप गौर से देखें तो फिर फर्नीचर इज डिफरेंट, द फ्रेम्स आर डिफरेंट, मिरर्स आर डिफरेंट.
वो तो मूड के हिसाब से सारा कुछ चेंज होता है. इट्स शॉकिंग टू मी.
एंड नॉट ओनली दैट, दीवारों के कलर्स, दीवार के जो द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ द वॉल्स, सब अलग हैं. और ये आपको बस सोचने के लिए आपको कितने साल लगेंगे मुझे खुद नहीं पता. पर
कंसीडरिंग ही इज गिवन यू योर नेम नाउ, ताहा हैज बिकम ताज. आपको ये इस कैमरा में देख के क्या मैसेज देना है टू मिस्टर बंसाली?
एक बार देख लीजिए. 2 बार देख लीजिए. मुझे एक और रोल दे दीजिए प्लीज. मुझे
रेडियो सिटी, रग रग में दौड़े सिटी.